this is how the home side is. It's Weber that is out of this particular encounter due to suspension. Gets to start. Masuluke starts on the bench as St. Stephen makes his way back into the starting lineup. Well, waiting for the man in the middle, Eugene Mdluli, to kick us off. He's assisted by Kamohelo Ramutsindela and Kenny Mamehwa, while Romeo Matibidi is the fourth official. Well, there's a first foul in the encounter. Reynes has got Cardoso for comfort, but is able to evade him. Buys himself some space and plays it to the back. Titus has an opportunity, awkward angle, and also brings out a fine save from Batre Sangara. Trezayamba, he's a centre back by trade. Looks as though he's moved to the middle of the park. Plays as a defensive midfielder. Ishmael makes some mistakes and gives it away. Now opportunity on the far side from Ugwana. Straight into the palms of St. Stephen's. Dino van Rooyen, first touch, showed too much to the onrushing Mugwana. Now, Sekhukhune comes forward, pushes it over, is Mukocho, but is able to retain possession. Sekhukhune looking dangerous. Right side to Mukwana. Back to Mtambo. He can unleash from there. No, was curling it to the far post. And St. Stephen's had it covered. You've got Reynes. You've got Pasadena also standing over it. It's Reynes that takes it. Was looking for a top corner. Just as well as Andre de Jong. Maybe that's a game plan they can look to try and use in the second half. Mtambo goes down, was expecting the referee to come to his rescue, but he doesn't. It's Stellis. They're launching yet another attack. Ball played over. Now Reynes. There's two arriving in the box. And the Centura! Oh, Shotla! Oh, what a way to get onto the back of the net! What a way to break a deadlock! At the 40th minute! It is a movement that starts out wide for Stellies. Coach Stevie Barker advising his boys to switch on. Yeah, they are switched on, I tell you, as Titus looks to go for the second. Evening to be as a Mosotho speaking and a Mosotho native. Well, done and dusted is the first 45 as Eugene Mdluli blows the halftime. Man, former Jomo Cosmos man ready to stand by. Well, confirmation. It's Tamsanga Masia that comes off. Ohizu and also Kamukhala Mokocho sacrificed in favor more from Charlie. Those are the two first changes made by Coach Hlono Losiema. Up and over! Oh, Hizu got up well. Tino van Rooyen plays more advanced now. Oh, feeds it through to Ora. What a save for Batre Sangara. And lays it back and really can't finish it. Scrappy from Sekhukhune, but effective. Now, Chibwabwa goes directly for shots and finds a well-placed St. Stephen's. Cleared away by St. Stephen's. A clean sheet number 9 for St. Stephen's. If he keeps it, 13th all in all competitions for St. Stephen's. Last 5 minutes at Stellenbosch need to hold on for. Duana. Oh, blazes Titus. Plays it into the box. And up and over! It is Ohizu with his 6th of the season. Smash and grab. At the back post, Ohizu. Moby gets it back into the box and at the near post, St. Stephen's gets it right into his hands. So, it ends a 2-match winning away streak for Stellenbosch.